Welcome to Bharat CXO. Myself, Kaumudi Vaidya. We have Mr. Dhananjay Arora sir with us right now. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
Yes. So I would like to ask you, how can AI impact businesses?
So, in business today, information is critical. What's really important if you want to have competitive advantage in a business is information is very critical, and how do you get all this information and make sense out of it is where AI can really help you. So essentially, today, as I said, even in the panel, a company is getting information from various sources, whether it's the websites, whether it's their own Excel sheets, whether it's social media, whether it's customer reviews. So a lot of information is coming, whether it's even devices. When you look at IoT, even devices give you data. So what AI can help you do is take all this data, put it together, make sense out of it. So essentially what would have taken days, weeks, or maybe months for a manual process to get this data, make sense out of it, and understand what are the trends, and AI can do that in a matter of possibly less than a day. So once you use AI as a tool where you take data, make sense out of it, then you can understand the data, understand what trends are happening. Very important, you can predict things. So you can predict customer behavior, you can predict markets. Once you have that information of what's going to happen, then you can make changes in your business. AI today can also help in a lot of process automation and decision automation. So with AI you can decide quickly. For example, a bank can decide who they should or should not give loans to. They can detect fraud and make sure systems are in place to prevent frauds. So if you're able to make sense of data, prevent frauds, enhance productivity, understand the market, understand the trends, and change your business, I think that really will help any business to get a competitive edge and progress much faster than without the data and without the power of AI to give you analysis out of it.
What a lovely insight, sir. Thank you so much.
Not at all. Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks so much.